Every practice has a billing horror story, but this one still gives us chills. A clinic called us after their only biller vanished overnight. They held administrative access to the group's systems, payer portals, everything. No handoff, no logins, no reports, just a provider left behind, trying to care for patients while chasing claims in the dark. The biller wasn't the villain. The single point of contact was. When one person holds all your revenue knowledge, losing them can stop cash flow cold. By the time they found Build Right, their finances were gasping for air. Claims were piling up, payments were drying out, and trust in the system? Buried 6 feet under. That's when we stepped in. We rebuilt their workflows, recovered months' worth of ghost claims, and recovered tens of thousands in lost revenue. Within months, their AR was breathing again, steady and strong. This isn't just a rescue story. It's what happens when visibility, SOPs, and smart billing systems protect your revenue, the Build Right way. If your books feel a little haunted, we'll help you bring them back to life. This Halloween, don't let your revenue vanish. Claim your free financial assessment before November 3rd and bring your cash flow back to life. Build Right, where we bill right.